welcome to the channel. My name's Sammy. Today we have a 2021 Tesla Model 3 that I ordered on November 17th, picked it up on December 14th. As you can see, I went with the white exterior, standard wheels, and then I went with the white interior because the white interior looks absolutely amazing. I went with the white exterior because I was going to end up wrapping it anyways, so no point of paying an additional $1,000 to $2,000 for that. As you can see, with the 2021 Tesla Model 3s, they come stock now with matte finish on the chrome parts that you would see on a 2020 model. As you can see, the door handles are all wrapped in that, and as well as the camera covers. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to be showing you how you can open up the front. I'm sure there's another way to do it from the screen inside, but as you can see here, you're going to want to go to controls and hit front. It's going to ask you, are you sure? You're just going to hit yes. As you can see, there's nothing you need to push or anything. It's just lifting it up. And it is smaller than the 2020 model, but there's still enough space. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the trunk right now too. And you can adjust it higher, but I just did this for my setting because of my garage. Ignore the camera equipment, but it is really spacious in here. You could put a whole body in here, but let me show you guys how to adjust this. Everyone's probably going to be asking me, how can I adjust this to like a certain height? All you're going to want to do is hold this button right here. Just hold it until you hear a sound. Just like that. Now you can just go ahead and close it. Now just go ahead and open it. It's going to open it to the height that you guys set it at. Moving on to the interior, guys, as you can see, the standard Rage Plus, nothing special, no floor mats, but we do have the 2021 updated center console, and we're going to show you that right now. Alrighty guys, as you can see, the center console here, this thing is absolutely amazing. No more fingerprints like the 2020 models would have. Everyone would usually end up wrapping it, but as you can see, we have two phone charging stations here. This does not come off like the 2021 does, but definitely if you're going to be buying a 2021 Tesla Model 3 standard range, I definitely recommend some floor mats before you pick it up and a screen protector for this beautiful, beautiful computer screen. Here's the storage here. It's pretty decent space here. The light looks amazing at night. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this video. As you can see, we try to give you guys an overview of the basics of the car. I'm hoping to bring you guys around one video a week, showing you guys more features that I learned when I do my research. But if you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment, like the video, and subscribe.